Hello everyone and welcome to the Specialty Materials YouTube channel. My name is Jada and today we're going to be talking about embossed deco film. So embossed deco film offers a textured chrome-like surface to your garment. It's super durable, very easy to weed and cut. It comes with a pressure-sensitive carrier that's easy to readjust. So if you want to add a fun, unexpected metallic look to your design, embossed deco foam is going to be the material for you. And today I'm going to be showing you just how it works. So first I'm going to start off with my background for my image, which is going to be our Thermaflex Plus matte black. And I'm going to press this at 325 for about 5 seconds. Okay, and as we all know, Thermaflex Plus is a warm peel, so you can just peel this carrier off, and there we are. So now we have the base. So here's our first part. We are using the pink embossed, and I'm just gonna place it right there. And you're gonna press this. So your heat press has to be between 310 Fahrenheit and 330 Fahrenheit, and you want to press for 10 to 15 seconds. If you're doing layers like we are today, you want to just press it for about 5 seconds since you'll be pressing it multiple times. So embossed deco film is a cold peel, so you do want to allow your material to cool before you peel it up. All right, so we're just going to peel our carrier away. Perfect. And we're gonna go in with our next layer. So here we have our gold embossed deco film. I have 2 pieces that are gold embossed in deco film, but I just wanted to show you guys on camera. So I'm gonna lay that right on here. Alrighty, and once that's taken care of, we're gonna press this again for 5 seconds. And last but not least, we're going to be using our silver embossed deco film. So as you can see, we actually cut out an area in our image where it would overlap with our other layers of embossed, just so that you don't have any major press marks. So that is something that you do want to keep in mind when pressing this material. And line that up perfectly. And press it for 5 seconds. All right, we're gonna peel our final layer. As you can see, it's super easy to peel the carrier off once it's pressed. It's like butter. Also, just another tip of advice, when you're pressing embossed deco film, you want to make sure that you have a Teflon sheet. We do have one at the top of our heat press, so you didn't see us lay it on here, but you want to make sure you have that so that when you do your final press, everything comes out smooth, simple, no press marks, and you're ready to go. So here we are with our final press for 5 seconds. Perfect. That wraps up today's video. So once again, we used our embossed deco film. This is something that you want to press from 310 to 330 degrees Fahrenheit with even firm pressure. You want to press it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Like I said, if you do have layers, how like our whole image is made out of embossed deco film, we use multiple colors. So we pressed each layer for 5 seconds with a final press of 5 seconds. It's a cold peel, so make sure you wait to let it cool down before you peel your carrier off. When you're washing it, make sure you wash it inside out with cold water, and you're ready to go. So if you guys have any questions about this material, anything from this video today, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Specialty Materials, and we'll see you in our next video.